Something unbelievable just happened in robotics. Boston Dynamics has given its Atlas robot a new set of hands, and these might be the most advanced robotic hands ever made. At the same time, Figure AI unveiled a humanoid that can wash dishes, fold laundry, and even charge itself. The race to build the world's first actually useful humanoid robot is heating up fast, and the winner could define the entire future of automation. Let's dive into what's happening, and why this upgrade changes everything. Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Revolution World. Today, we're looking at how Boston Dynamics and Figure AI are pushing robots beyond parkour and factory demos, into real human-level dexterity. And yes, Atlas just got an upgrade that's honestly a little unsettling. You already know Atlas, the bipedal robot famous for backflips and viral parkour videos. But this time, it's not about how Atlas moves. It's about how Atlas handles. Boston Dynamics has just released a brand new set of robotic hands, called GR2, and this changes everything. For years, the challenge wasn't just movement. It was manipulation. How do you give a machine the ability to grab, twist, and feel, the way we do? Now, with GR2, they might have finally cracked it. When Atlas switched from hydraulics to fully electric power, it opened the door to a redesign. GR2 now has 7 degrees of freedom, meaning 7 different ways it can move. 3 fingers, each with 2 actuators, and a fully functional opposable thumb. That thumb changes the game. Without it, a robot's grip is limited, but with it, Atlas can do 2 finger pinches, 3 finger grasps, and stabilize objects like never before. And get this, these hands actually have tactile sensing built right into the fingertips. Under a soft surface, tiny sensors measure pressure and touch, letting the robot know exactly how much force it's applying. Too tight? It adjusts. Too loose? It corrects instantly. That's a sense of touch. Cameras inside the palms give Atlas vision even when its main sensors are blocked. The grippers are self-contained, durable, and easy to replace, because yes, robots fall too. Compared to the older GR1 model, GR2 adds the thumb, better balance, and smarter sensing, without adding unnecessary complexity. More fingers would mean more failures. 3 fingers plus a thumb hit the sweet spot between flexibility and reliability. The result? Atlas can now pick up irregular objects, thread wires, assemble parts, and even manipulate delicate tools in real time. This is not brute strength. It's precision. But Boston Dynamics isn't alone. The humanoid robot race is turning into the next Silicon Valley showdown. Tesla's Optimus robot has shown major balance and motion upgrades. Unitree's G1 model can recover from falls like a parkour athlete. And now, Figure AI is going after a completely different market, homes and businesses. Their new Figure 03 humanoid can handle real-world chores, washing dishes, folding laundry, moving objects, and charging itself wirelessly. Yep, it drives itself onto a charging pad, no cables needed. Figure's latest model is smaller, lighter, and smarter than before, 9% less mass, more sensors, and a much wider field of vision. The cameras have double the frame rate and 75% less latency, meaning faster reaction time. Each palm even has a built-in camera for close-up work, like reaching into a cabinet. And just like Atlas, Figure 03 has tactile sensors in its fingertips, sensitive enough to detect something as light as a paperclip. It's designed for human spaces, soft, padded surfaces, no exposed metal, and a smooth exterior so it's safe to operate around people. And here's the wild part. They plan to mass produce up to 100,000 units through their new facility in San Jose. That's not a research project, that's a business. The goal here isn't just robots doing flips or pouring coffee. It's robots doing actual work. Tasks like sorting, wiring, inspection, and small object handling. The things humans do every day without thinking. Boston Dynamics' approach, human-like dexterity, could make Atlas perfect for industrial and logistics tasks. Figure AI's approach, generalized intelligence, could make it useful in homes, hotels, and offices. Add NVIDIA's Jetson Thor AI chip into the mix, a platform designed for physical AI, and now these robots can see, plan, react, and adapt in real time. That's when they start to feel almost human. But here's the catch: controlled lab demos don't tell the full story. Real homes have pets, kids, clutter, and chaos. No one knows how well these humanoids will handle that unpredictability. Still, the progress is undeniable. A few years ago, robots could barely walk. Now they're folding laundry, assembling electronics, and gripping fragile objects with human-like care. Every few months, it feels like robots take another leap forward, from doing tricks to actually doing jobs. The line between demo and deployment is disappearing fast. So here's the question: are we ready for this next wave of humanoids? Or are we moving too fast for our own good? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, leave a like if you enjoyed this deep dive, and subscribe for more AI and robotics updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Share, like, and follow.